Now let's start in the beginning by creating an application. We will use the application manager to create a new application. I will be using Postgres to store configuration, log and archive databases. So let me start the 2000 application manager from version 65. As you can notice, I have multiple D2000 versions installed on my computer. So I'll start the application manager. Sorry, this is some running application I forgot to stop, so I'll stop it now. I'll click on create a new application. I want to create a Postgres application, so I will not change the database. I will click OK. Now I must specify application name. Let it be Workshop 21. I have multiple Postgres installation, but I will keep the default version 10 that I have installed. Here we could configure, for example, automatic startup of an application when the Windows is started, or specify additional parameters for the startup. I'll click OK. The application is created. Now I can create an archive. I'll keep again the Postgres archive and keep everything again on the default. So now the archive is created. Now I can right-click the application and select Run, or run it here from the clicking on the icon. It will take some time to start the kernel, to upgrade the configuration, template, and log database, and start individual processes. In the meantime, I can show you here my starting application. There are some additional parameters for the kernel and for archive processes, which can be configured either here or as they are located in the Windows registry via regedit. All the parameters are documented in our online documentation. So we have the application up and running. Next, we can start the graphic editor right from the application manager by clicking the Start Graphic Editor. When a login window appears, we will use System D2000 for both username and password. This is the default user, which you should modify the password and change so that you have some higher security. Now we can open the CNF window by clicking the CNF icon. So we have opened both the interface for editing graphic objects and non-graphical objects. Well, this is the end of my presentation. However, I sincerely hope it is not an end of your work with IPESOF D2000 system. Quite the opposite, it should be the beginning of your exploration of the D2000 system. Please bear in mind that what I showed you today is just a small fragment of the D2000 capabilities. So don't hesitate to use our online documentation, and if you can't find the answer here, you can contact us via email or ask on our community forum.